Hey, wake up. I just want to encourage you. You should learn to appreciate the beauty of God. You should learn to appreciate the creation of God, everything that you have right now, and especially your blessing, even small or big, learn to appreciate it. Because if you don't learn to appreciate the blessing of God, you're not really genuine of God. Really genuine of God always give thanks to the Lord, always appreciate them, even small or none. So now, I think you are now in a position. Maybe you're now. I think you are teachers, you are doctors, or maybe you're engineers, or whatever you have right now, or maybe you are just man, young, ordinary man, and in going to processing to become a professional work. So now, hey, Britons, let me reminder you that whatever blessing that you receive right now, even small or big, even your difficult times, even your hardship times, appreciate them, give thanks to the Lord, or if you don't know what to do, pray and worship to the Lord. So, and maybe you can learn the more Bible verse. And you know, if you're not learn to appreciate the blessing of God, if you're not trying to practice to share how God be faithful, how God get closer with you, how you can be close to the God, how God can protect you, how God can curse you, your generations, your family, your loved ones, your neighbors, your goals, your dreams, your futures. How so God will not caring about them because you did not learn to appreciate them. So if you want God handle your futures, if you want God handle your plans, if you want God handle your generations, your everything inside with you, please give thanks to the Lord, because the most important thing to do in the world is to give thanks to the Lord, to appreciate the goodness of God. Especially we are here and just standing there, we are still our breathings. So every wake up in the morning, I know you forget that to thank God. I know, guys. So now mind the video, you should learn to appreciate them. Okay, so appreciate the blessing of God, because since you are breathing, while you're breathing, God has still purpose and plan for you. So appreciate them too. So God bless and great God. Don't forget to continue to serve the Lord. God bless and